It's a new 2020 BMW X7. It doesn't offer views, it offers vistas. It isn't just nice, it is class-defining luxury. It isn't just big, it is spacious with grace and agility. The X7 doesn't do ordinary, it does legendary. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic GPS-linked and transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated sport seats, configurable instrument gauges, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, and multi-zone climate control. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.